This review is of stevia in the raw, stevia blended with other sweeteners, in this case maltodextrin. It's a 0-calorie sweetener. It's not actually 0 calories, but because of the way the USDA does their nutrition facts requirements, it is considered 0 calories. It's actually, and it explains it on here in the back, next to the nutrition facts, each serving contains less than 2 calories, which the FDA considers dietetically 0. So, sorry, FDA, not USDA. It is certified vegan, packaged in the U.S., so it's not made in the U.S., and it is parv, so in that respect, it's safe for Jews and Muslims. You can see over here that it is also, of course, vegan, naturally gluten-free. There is a blurb, as well as instructions for making cherry lattice pie. And there's another bit of blurb over here. Baking tip. Taking them out of the oven a bit earlier than the time calls for. Okay. And a little bit more there. Maltodextrin, stevia leaf extract. And there are the nutrition facts. If you've never actually had stevia, which I have, I can tell you that just putting the stevia leaf next to your tongue, you immediately can taste the sweetness. And so you expect that with something like this, you're going to get that same burst of sweetness. But actually, I've tried this already. I had to put, I don't know, maybe I made a bowl, 1 cup of oatmeal with some spices. And even though there was some cinnamon on it, which added a little bit of spice, it wasn't enough. So I had to add about 4 or 5 tablespoons to this to be able to get the kind of sweetness that I wanted. Now it tastes nice, but it doesn't have the same level of sweetness as sugar. And it's a nice sweetness, I admit, but it's not the same thing. There are no calories, well, less than 2 calories per teaspoon. So if you're going to be using more than a teaspoon, you're going to be getting a few calories. But there's no fat or sodium. There's less than half a gram of carbs, which are all added sugars. I would assume they mean the maltodextrin. And there's no protein. It doesn't really have any nutritional value. It's just a sweetener. And it's just a huge bag of powdered stevia extract and maltodextrin. Since I had to use more of this than I would of the sugar, even though this says 1 cup of sugar is 1 cup of stevia in the raw, I can't give it the highest rating, and it's not as sweet as pure stevia would be, so I'll give it an 8. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.